Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Arjuna's Grief, Chapter 1, Shloka 32, 33, 34. For I desire not victory, O Keshava, nor kingdom, nor pleasures. Of what avail is dominion to us, O Govinda? Of what avail are pleasures or even life itself?
Chapter 1, Shloka 32. Nakangshe vijayam Krishna, nacha rajyam sukani cha, kinno rajyena Govinda, kim bhogair jivitena va.
They for whose sake we desire kingdom, enjoyment, and pleasures stand here in battle, having renounced life and wealth.
Chapter 1, Shloka 33. Yesha marte kankchitanno rajyam bhoga sukani cha tayimeva stita yuddhe pranam styaktva dhanani cha.
Teachers, fathers, sons, and also grandfathers, maternal uncles, fathers-in-law, grandsons, brothers-in-law, and other relatives.
Chapter 1, Shloka 34. Acharya pitaraf putraha tataiva cha pitamahaha matula shvashura putraha syala sambandhinastata.
We have three shlokas here, shloka number 32, 33 and 34. In these three shlokas, we find Arjuna has listed all the relatives' names and sons, grandsons, fathers, teachers, granduncles, maternal uncles, which he had mentioned earlier also. It seems that his mind is empty and he has nothing much more to say, so he has got only option is repeating what he said earlier. Arjuna is speaking to Krishna regarding the advisability of having a civil war between the two factions of the same royal family. Here we see Arjuna is giving more and more arguments about to justify what is happening in his mind. And actually destiny has provided him an opportunity where he can exhaust his repressions and suppressions about which we mentioned in the previous shlokas. Arjuna has an expectation that Krishna will agree with him, but Krishna chooses to remain silent. His remaining silent is as if he's criticizing what Arjuna is saying. And he's also smiling. And his smile is as if he's shaming Arjuna. So we find that though Arjuna is trying very hard to find some support from Krishna about the arguments which he has put, but he is not getting any support either through Krishna's words or through his looks. More in the next video. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online.